up, everyone? It's the fabulous 95, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Wheeldell Lee, I think that's his name, Doc's Racing Days car from 2019. Now, as you can see from the packages, there's Wheeldell. On the package, he's got a darker blue than the actual diecast car himself, but that's a nice baby blue. You see the desert background. Now, my Walmart just got this case today. Well, recently, because when I got there, he was the best car. Because I missed the other two Thomasville Racing Legends. Which really sucks. But I will get to the unboxing. So let's take a look at Wheeldell. So on his left side, it says Channel 12, WRSN TV, Racing Sports Network. So that must have been what they were originally called, or their channel station name. You see the mobile live unit. These were used heavily before cameras were everywhere. Other side's basically the same. I did notice that it says 204 through 210 MHZ, which is probably for radio. Back, basically the same, but it's basically empty. And then we got the front, where he's happy, because he gets to go to free races, man. Who would not be happy? But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't. Well, I guess he's gone. Well, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm trying to get to 300 by the end of the year. We are at 209. Well, 209. We are at 290. Let's see if we can get there. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.